I'm Curtis Bartis and welcome back to another video. So today's video I'm gonna go over the full web-based application for Luno. I did do a video on the mobile app, and in the mobile app version I said I'm gonna do a full version, more in-depth version on the web-based application. So hope you enjoy. If you're new to the channel, please do me the honor by subscribing. It takes you about 3 seconds to do so. So let's get right into today's video. So first we'll start off on the home tab on the Lunar application. As you can see, here's the home. Here we got the chart. As you can see, Bitcoin is on 287,000. I don't know if you checked the previous video. I don't know, I think Bitcoin was at 220,000 when I made the mobile app version. Okay, so let's move on. As you can see, this is the chart on the home tab. You get the daily, you get the weekly, you get the monthly. Oh, 23% increase. You get the 6 months, you get the year, and you get all time. As you can see, Bitcoin's all time high in ZAR was about 320,000, I'm not sure. Here we got the Ethereum chart, we got the Ripple. Don't need to worry about that for now. We got the Bitcoin Cash, and we got the Litecoin. This is all the cryptocurrencies Luno offers on their mobile application. As you can go down, as you can see, how much Litecoin do you want to buy? This is a simple buy. We'll get into the exchange buy as we go on. Here we got the explore tab. As you can see, this is where Luno gives you material to learn on. As you can see, this is all. Here we can sub-sorted by news. All the news you'll need to know as you make a cryptocurrency journey. This is the daily report. You get the weekly reports Luno gives if you send your email, but this is just the same. As you can see, what causes Bitcoin transaction delays, all the information you might need to know. Here we got learn. This is a very important tab. I think like this, if you're new to cryptocurrency, this is one of the most important tabs you can get to. I advise you to go through this. Set a day or set 2 hours aside, or depending on how much time you need to learn this. Next we got the wallet. Okay, I'll skip wallet. Let's go into rewards. Here we got the rewards tab. The reward tab is simple. As you can see, share your invite code, get 25 Rand Bitcoin for both you and your friend. So if you invite a friend, you get 25 Rand of Bitcoin and your friend gets. There's the code. I'll put it down in the description. Next, let's go to profile. As you can see, Curtis Bartis. Here we got your security settings, help, price alerts, and sign out. Let's go into security. Here we got your two-factor authentication. I hope I pronounced it right. This is very important. You need to download the app on your phone, the Google authentication app, and use this. This is for extra security. This you have send cryptocurrency enabled. You got your password, devices, API keys, and social accounts. Next you got your settings. You got obviously your name, your email, your mobile number, country, language, verification. That's depending on how much information you provide to Luno. So step 1 is just your email and cell phone number. Step 2 is your ID and facial recognition. And step 3 is your location, residential. Communication, exchange, beta, and Lunar Labs, not important stuff. You're not going to worry much on that. Next you got your help. I'm not going to go into that. Price alerts. Okay, price alerts, that's an important one. So you can set price alerts depending on which one you want. So ETH, XRP, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, or BTC. So today we're just going to put BTC. As you can see, the price alert here, if Bitcoin hits 200, this was back in the day. Wow. So I had a price alert when Bitcoin was less than 120. So I'm going to create a new one. So Bitcoin is at 200. I'm going to say every time Bitcoin hits 300,000 ZAR, make sure 1, 2, 3, the zeros is important, so create. Okay, a space, sorry. Create. So I'll get a price alert when Bitcoin hits more than 300,000 notified on my mobile application. So that is, let's go back into wallet. So as you can see, here is your wallets. You got your ZAR wallet. If you're new, you only see your ZAR wallet and your Bitcoin wallet. I'm not sure. Then you need to, at the bottom you will see add wallet. You can be able to add your investment wallet, your ETH wallet, your XRP wallet, your Bitcoin Cash wallet, and Litecoin. As you can see, I'm not worried too much about the other cryptocurrency. I'm just more into Bitcoin and ETH, Litecoin, XRP. So to deposit money into your Luno account, you'll go on your local currency, your thing, you'll hit deposit. They'll ask if you want the instant EFT or do you want a bank transfer. You'll click on bank transfer. You'll click on the amount you want, let's say 500. You'll say next. They ask you, please use your unique reference. I already explained this in the mobile application, so I understand. And this is information you'll get. So please, very important, use your unique reference. This is important right there. So it'll be all this details you see right there, you'll do on your mobile application. You'll do your banking application, online banking. This information you'll put the account number, the branch, and very important, once again, your unique reference. So if you use mine, you'll give me the money. So let's move on. So let's go back. So after you do that, you'll see once you deposited money into your thing, it takes about a day. If you do it on the weekend, it'll arrive the Monday, depending 2 days on your bank. So once you have that, you'll have money into your thing. I'm going to first explain the simple buy and then let's go to the. So once you have money into your thing, you can do it two ways. You can click on the buy, you'll see your buy. Now they can ask you which you want to buy. You want to buy BTC, LT, you'll go to Bitcoin. They ask you on how do you want to buy it. You'll click on your ZAR wallet if you want to buy with ETH, but obviously you're going to use ZAR. You can ask how much do you want to buy. Obviously you're going to say the 500 we just deposited hypothetically. You're going to do it once off. You'll click next. You'll get this approximately your receive. That's how much your service charge. As you can see, if you use instant buy, you'll pay a fee. But if you use exchange, you'll have no fees. But we'll get into that right now. Make and take. This is called make and take fees. But hopefully I'm going to cancel this. That just if you want don't. But see, sometimes your order don't get filled depending on the market. So sometimes it's good to do market buy, sometimes it's not, depending on how volatile Bitcoin is. So let's go back into the exchange. So now we want to do the exchange. I'm going to explain. You're going to click to home. You're going to go to exchange. Okay, so once you're in the exchange, you'll see the exchange. At first it might look overwhelming, but trust me, it's quite straightforward. Okay, but it's quite straightforward. So sir, you will see here we start in the middle. Here you got your chart, the same as the normal one. You got your chart. This is a trading view chart. This is where you do your TA, technical analysis. But since you're just a beginner, I recommend doing more research, watching videos on all that stuff. But today I'm not going to go into technical analysis, just the overview of Luno. So this is where you have your trading view chart. As you can see, this is the same chart but just in a trading view, more advanced. Here at left you got your market. As you can see, this is all the BTC, the changes what happened. See, like BTC to the euro, BTC to the Niger, the BTC to the ZAR. As you can see here, we got your orders. This is your orders. This you got your insights. I haven't used this feature so much, it's also new to me, insight. So let's go back to trade. As you can see here, you got your open orders. I have no open orders at the moment. Here you got your open order history. This is all the trades you've done, as you can see right here. So on the right side you have your limit buy and your market buy, and you have your stop loss. So we're gonna start with market. Is the same precise as the beginning, where you buy Bitcoin at the market price. This is also known as the taker, like I said, but we're gonna now focus on limit. So limit is where you put your price at which you want to buy the Bitcoin. So for example, as you can see here, we got the open book. This is all the sellers and this is all the buyers. The spread at the moment is 219. As you can see, that's a little bit volatile. It should be always between 1, I think 1, because then the buyers and the sellers kind of agree at the price. So here we go. This is the recent trades. As you can see, volume on Luno for all the Bitcoin is 400 compared to other exchanges. There's like Binance, this is extremely low, but this as a South African exchange, it's quite high. So let's go back into the price. So as you can see, this is all the buyers. So say you want to buy Bitcoin at, so you want to buy here at 268, you'll put it and you'll put the amount you want to buy it at. You can say I want 500. Let's go back into, as you can see, fee is 0. You're not paying any fees compared to the previous. You'll place your order. As you can see, order placed, you'll say place order. Now if you go back to your open orders, you'll see there's the order now. But remember, you won't buy Bitcoin unless 268 Bitcoin goes to that price. So that's it. If Bitcoin goes up, your order will never be filled. So that's the risk. But see, that's the way the market comes in handy or more usable. So say now we're going back to a limit sell. You'll go to sell there at the top. You'll see, do the exact same thing as you did by buy. You'll say a price when you want to sell. Remember, I only want to sell when Bitcoin is 370. Let me know, very ambitious. So okay, then I'll say I want to sell that 500 we just bought. So I want to sell 500 rands Bitcoin. You can just say max, I don't have 500 now. And we'll put sell. As you can see, in my open orders I have a buy order and a sell. These orders will only be filled if Bitcoin hit that prices. This is known as a maker in trading terms. That you can see, so if Bitcoin is 268,000, my order will get filled and I'll buy at that price. If Bitcoin is 365, it's sell at that price. So that's, so this is trading. You buy low, you sell high. So when, say my Bitcoin order gets filled at 360, I'll sell that at the higher price, obviously. So it's exactly the same thing. We'll do it again. I'll explain it again. This is your open orders. You got your spread. As you can see, spread is quite big. Price is gonna go volatile. It's gonna be quite recent trades. This is all the trades people did. This is your open orders. This is your order history. This is the markets, the inside orders. So that's it, I hope. Let's just go back to the normal wallets. As you can see, this is your, like I said, let's now go, I'm just going to go over the investment. There is a separate video on that. I'm not going to go into that. That's also been linked down below on the investment portfolio for Luno. This is where you just buy and you earn passive income on your Bitcoin. But that's also, there'll be a card and it will be down in the description. So that's today's video. So I hope you guys enjoyed this Luno web-based application. If you have other queries on how to create the account, how to send Bitcoin, or let's just do that quickly. So you'll go into your Bitcoin wallet, you'll say receive. You'll say you'll create a new, or depending on what, you'll just say the person you're receiving it from. So let's just say our wallet. You'll get your QR code where the person you want to send to this address. This is very important, that address right there. Same thing if you want to send, you say the send, this is the send to, that same QR code you'll paste there the person you're sending it to. You'll leave a note, you leave a currency you want to bizarre, and you'll just say next. And that's how you send. So this has been the full tutorial on the Luno web-based application. If you have other questions on how to create an account or any other queries on Luno, please do it down below. So until next time, peace.